lesizoba ngenokho yela kwenze kanoni ashiwa amakhobe efestrini nasidlo
basela
izoba kathi ogabe bheke bonga ukunampa serious akho nemela ngoba selivuzisa igazi la we ya la thina phansi la ngapha la thisha lathi ya qala uba lethe qala uba mnyama su yabo now I was doing drugs so I was an addict yabo very difficult to talk is like I was smoking meth and drugs yabo but by the grace of God kwenzeka kuba ezwi like ndikwazi uba ngiphume kuzo ibuleli olithi like join inyembezi zivele ezimapha jogozi ngimkhathazile lo man laphume ekhaya ngithe kumama ngiyofuna impangelo ngithemba uThixo uzawuba khona ngemini yembandezelo yarephe ekasi abanye bandibona ndidlala loo nto ingityhafisa sendibhala iwanda ukuba ndizovakala yabo wathi utazizwe ndingayeki ngihlale ndiphusha wathi uta-era soze bento uba ndiyathufa I'll fight hard for ufezekisa iphupha uba nami utata kwityotyombe lamaphupha ndimkhupha sivelelwe namhlanje
sisengxakeni nogumbe
hey namhlanje
nogumbe
wow Stokes